In today's lesson, we're going to talk about natural selection. And many have heard about natural selection and attributed most of the work to Darwin. However, there's a second scientist not as well known. His name is Wallace, Alfred Wallace, and he and Darwin are both responsible for the theory of natural selection. Right? So we're going to start off by talking about these two scientists. Darwin, in the mid-1800s, was born into a very wealthy family. And he studied natural history and religion at Cambridge. At the age of 22, he was hired to join the HMS Beagle. Now, this is a naval research ship, and it traveled around the world. And he observed and took incredible notes and collected animal and plant specimens. And one of his most famous areas is where he traveled to is the Galapagos Islands. And if you do any research, you'll come across all the different studies he did there, looking at the different plants and animals. Now, Wallace, Alfred Wallace, at the same time, lived at the same time as Darwin. But he was born from a very poor family. And he had quite a few failed careers. But he was inspired by the work Darwin was doing. And he became an explorer. Right? And he did most of his research in Southeast Asia, where he collected thousands of specimens, including new species, which made him begin to think why there were so many different species.